Hello everyone, a very warm greeting to all of you. I am Faisal and I am associated with Winnie Immigration as an immigration advisor. Today we will be talking about how to prepare for migration to Canada in 2021. Well, 2021 is here, vaccines are coming, and it looks like the mess created by COVID 19 will probably start to fade away. Canada is striving to open its borders. Canada is trying to attract as many immigrants as possible. Historical numbers of quotas are already here, and it looks like immigration would catch up its dynamic pace very quickly starting from the 2021. What you could do right now, apart from calculating your score for express entry and losing up your time, you should be taking your language test. You have to take your language test and need to prepare it for it. I need to prepare for it as soon as possible. I understand test centers were not open in any countries, but now across the globe test centers are opening for English and French languages. With introduction of Saskatchewan about giving additional points for French for express entry, this shows that additional point for of French is going to play a very vital role, a very significant role. So if you could pick up your French and learn it quickly and give a test, it will be very much beneficial to you. Apart from this, get your educational degree assessed as soon as possible. As soon as you have both the things ready with you, you can create your express entry profile. Don't be afraid of that. As soon as you will have your express entry profile, you are in the state of emergency where you could just jump into the provincial nomination that opens up. Newfoundland and Labrador are going to launch their programs in January 2021. But what if Nova Scotia opened their category B and you just have few hours left to create your profile? Upload all the documents and make sure everything is up to the perfection, and then the province will be considering your application. So in that case, you don't have much time. Your express entry has to be ready. Ideally your bank statement should be ready. There are many other people who think that they have calculated express entry score and will be applying for Saskatchewan and will be going ahead with the Nova Scotia or Newfoundland and Labrador. By the time these provinces open up, selection stage goes on, it will be way too late. There are so many people on this planet looking to immigrate to Canada, and if you want to be a successful applicant, you need to have your express entry profile ready as soon as possible. Your hardcore sets of skills should be ready as well. The immigration authorities, federal government, provincial or municipal pilot programs one, they will be looking into your profile only. This means your profile has to be ready as soon as possible. Also, to participate in job fairs, provincial events, offline or online, you need to have your CV ready as well. So you should be ready to grab all the opportunities that are coming up. Um, if you would like to look at your profile, assess it, and tell you what to do and how to proceed further, I'll request you to share your profile on inquiry@winnieimmigration.com, and we will be able to look into and assess your profile for the immigration to Canada. We will be posting news updates and immigration related information with you on the regular basis. So don't miss out on any of them by subscribing our channel. Stay tuned with us and stay safe. For any further assistance regarding Canada PR, please feel free to write us at inquiry@winnieimmigration.com, or you can also give us a call on our toll-free number, that is 1800 419 3242. Thank you very much.